When lava meets the sea. What's going on in Iceland is, in a way, is unique. Iceland has a special place on the planet Earth's crust. It is where the Atlantic Ocean is expanding and a new continent in the form of what we call Iceland is being created. Two continents, Eurasian plate and North American plate. There's a plates of the Earth crust. They are moving away from each other in Iceland. We know this because we have the evidence in the sea bottom, also on the land. We had earthquake over the last several months in the peninsula that the volcano is active. This is where the land cracks, where the land is extending from left to right and from north to south, and that relieves the pressure on the mantle of the earth. And when the pressure is removed, the mantle material, which is already hot, can actually melt. You can see this in the presentation of the magma, which is boiling under the ground. It's as if we have removed the other material and looking down into the earth without any obstruction. This is what was happened in this volcano. We saw a small volcano, then the flood of the lava started to build up. Big rivers, really big river, fast-flowing, molten lava started to move and flooding large areas around it. The valleys first around it were filled up, then now it's going to a lower valley and flooding that area through 3 streams actually is doing it now. Some of them are really fast flowing, as you can see in this video. And when they reach the sea, what will happen is that you look at it. Look. What you will see is that the lava flows into the ocean. The ocean doesn't have much effect on it, unless it maybe creates some explosions. Water expands. Otherwise, it just normally flows into the ocean, to the seawater, and adds to the mass. What is more interesting is that it actually can create land. We have seen examples of this in the Hawaii. The land is being created by the volcano, as you can see to the right side of this picture, this animation of the map. And in Iceland, we have a similar situation. Eruption has started to flood the area around the volcano. Then all the other volcanoes became, quiet. One started to grow bigger and bigger, and this is the one which actually is now responsible for most of the lava flow. If you look in the map of the Atlantic Ocean sea bottom and Reykjanes Peninsula, you will see that they actually follow the pattern on this peninsula. Reykjanes Peninsula practically is extending eastward and westward. Due to this volcanism, the land is being spreading both ways. I go back to the same old diagram which shows this, and that means it's getting longer. The mid-Atlantic ridge is actually going right through this Reykjanes Peninsula, creating this lava flows that we are taking samples here and adding to the mass. And this peninsula, Reykjanes Peninsula, will become longer in the east-west direction. And this lava which you see now will be solidified and will add to the earth crust, lithosphere, at the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland. It will become bigger.